iDiski Times, now available in stores around the country.
iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting, iDiskiTimes.co.za. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1 in the DStv Premiership. So the champions have got 6 points after 2 matches. Kaizer Chiefs have 1 point after 2 matches. If there ever was a thought of a chase or a competition between the two teams, it's already being evaporated within 2 matches. A very dominant performance by Sundowns, could have been 5 or 6 were it not for Brendan Peterson saving those crucial saves. Khanye, our analyst, what do you make of the game, sir?
Nkululeko maprada kunjani ngibulise uJustice ngibulise mntana ka Christ Machaka ngibulise Benedict Zovila guys ebafethi kunjani, keep on supporting iDiskiTV, fighting one, try to fix South African football. For me, mina Nkululeko, the approach was wrong, especially citing the Kaizer Chiefs, the coach, knowing good we are good draw playing against Sundowns. It doesn't matter, you are a big team as well. You can't play a same type of players in the middle. Players' confidence is so low. Players who lack vision. Players who abangekho comfortable, who can't run with ukusuka la ngebhola ukuya lapha kula camera. Players abangakwazi ukuthi ba variety game yabo. Udlala ngoCastillo as defensive midfield, is a new player at Kaizer Chiefs. Is still learning the play. Indlela iclub idlala ngayo. Udlala nga 3 new defend City 2 central back ngikhuluma ngalo mjito lihlokwe nalo mjita umsimanga. I don't think there's understanding icala lapho. Ithi ngicale la, there's no understanding between the two of them. Mangithi kusho kanjalo, how many times Shalile aphuma lapha amabhola lama pockets aphuma lapha phakathi wabo goalkeeper whereby uShalile yazimistela or the keeper saved them. Angeke abantu bayibone because of the goalkeeper saved so many balls. First half, truly speaking, beyikhona wona ukuthi between of two of them akekho ufuna ukumaka. Shalile is always receiving the ball him alone. And Pirates ilo Sundowns, there's clever players in the middle. Mkwena is abana defensive midfield. They don't play with defensive midfield. Mhlambe shape yabo mangabe opposition start ibhola kulani mbona kube uAlende ka right ngapha ka left kube umshishi, but in most they don't have a defensive midfield because uAlende unokujump umkwena landa ibhola and then umkwena become an attacker, and iChiefs bebasha lento they both uCastillo uyaye kolanda ibhola and into abayenza abafaka ibhola phakathi ile bengilwela ku Ronwen ukuthi I don't mind goalkeeper alifaka ibhola phakathi if there's no pressing, mhlambe if there's clear, mhlambe your teammate is so free, but now if there's press umuntu bampressa ulifakela wani ibhola phakathi. iChiefs today igoal le Sundowns first goal ngenenza into engajwayela ukuyenza kule game yanamhlanje. You're not the type of a team that start the ball at the back. You don't have those type of players. There was no way ukuthi uLitloke can pass the goal. Okay, he did very well with the pass to goalkeeper wavulela, but Peterson wayolisa phakathi. And then Castillo, mina nyamplay mada. Uyazi the best, I think best option so continue umuntu odlalile iDiski. If you don't know what's going on, just ilbuselela libuya khona ibhola or just kick it outside. Mhlambe nibuye nrecrupe. But now if you wanna pass pretty uzoba ne problem because definitely uscreenanga ama receive ball. Let's experience playing expect with a screen before receive the ball or play it back and then kube open board abone behind him ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ngeke udlale side ungaboni behind you ukuthi kwenzakalani. I mean or libamba creative foul. So I think it chiefs mistake ukuthi uqala ibhola at the back knowing ukuthi thina we not the type of the team as creator as now lama player ukuthi are comfortable we can play the back nama midfielder supportayo and uCastillo noma ngabe uthenile lapha Mart and Sithebe. I don't know why the coaches keep them so isikhathi eside kangaka. I mean they were so quiet Nkululeko. Very depressed benga kalchola ibhola. Okay, Modi even himself now is a left wing forward. Izuzothatha ibhola ngithi uDeprez umbonile bekanokulwa drop emhlamba zobuya zomakha ncedi ihlapha suke ne move from deep. Modi is sitting on the line. So Modi ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi him Sithebe uMart i-coaching abakhipha kangaka. Isikhathi eside kangaka, but it goes nange depth yabo on the bench ukuthi khona bobani. But I think those 3 players they let the team down, even the striker. Striker Sabu number 7 but let the team down. The guy is standing there sitting doing nothing, no run. Ile across ukuthi bamthole nakhona i-pinpoint uthi Brazil dlale first time whereby i-defense Sundowns besaqoqeka alithole nakhona lapho if athekele ibhola bekazofika aqala kube i-goal. Is sitting there. If beka move uthi Brazil bekazo-occupy lesa space lesa striker sivala yonke imove eKaizer Chiefs. I think ama-player amaningi let the team down today and njengoba ngishiyamba nange-quality yabo Nkuleko up front ezingisho i-Kaizer Chiefs nothing much of them. Second half yes i-mistake Sundowns all I saw umndawo supposed ukuthi lebhola lihethela up front not at the back cause umbule bekasuka from phansi kumele azasukuma. I don't understand. Angithi bangabi pretty but I think i-mistake yabo igolisi le Kaizer Chiefs ngoba lo mfana uPotsano unyanga ukuthi makha kanjani lapha lo mfana kamdribblang uphushe nje ibhola ladlula phansi kwenyawo and then had to do quality cross from him and good finish for Mutipris. I think if bekadlala uDipris centrally bekungaba na something but the question ukuthi bebazomthola na going to Sundowns. As usually, they've got better players in terms of Kaizer Chiefs, we need to be honest. Starting at the back, players usual, patient, pressing so high, starting in front three, pressing Ribeiro, Minagim is central, quality player here, but he's playing more central. Akusukuthi udlala left, but I understand coach makamdlalisa noShalile because nongena la phakathi when the defender wide ka right okanye ka left. It did very well front three yabo ukuthi press Kaizer Chiefs. Nale goal ukuze balithole ye to press midfield support. Beba press Kaizer Chiefs midfield support the defense push and the goalkeeper become a sweeper. Indlela ebadlala ngayo when they have to start the ball as usual abasabi. Every time they start the ball ngikhuluma ngolibusa. Ulibusa what is name this guy?
Abdelmonayem Petuel.
Yes, yeah.
Abdullah.
Mbuza nge-Moroccan Abdullah. Because members to support every time alende because Avila or Umkwena Zavila and go in a combination play Kaizer Chiefs whenever they try to press already they are behind them seba outnumbered umshishu yavela magavela lo mfana lo beya create with uthapelo Maseko on the left hand side. I believe mina if lo mfana I believe he's a very talented player if beyangekho predictable especially first half angenena phakathi ama chance amaningi Sundowns because uzigore inyawo la right belly spanner because unto bekayenza we did very well first half kutalande uFroster ukuthi angakwazi ukukhuphuka ephambili but now cut in be create ama option amaningi either we take a shot on right or ulela somebody it becomes my bamguide sometimes and ureferee yambona sometimes bekamnika sometimes angamniki khona kick but the boy did very well bekabaniki with on the side lela right ngaphelingeke side because uRibeiro mabangaba phethanga ibhola bekaya khona mabaliphethe beyangena John Shalile either run beyond Shalile if Shalile yokuba ne third man run or yam support and Sundowns was very dangerous in terms mabaya phambili and well deserved Marisco. I don't think Smelling is reflected.
Yeah, should have been 6 at least, which was a good performance by the goalkeeper Kaizer Chiefs as well. There was obviously you could see from a team sheet, and we spoke about it. To go to the approach of Kaizer Chiefs clearly is to come here defend. Machaka was saying if you got a draw, it was going to be a bonus. I think there was no expectation Yogoti Chiefs can get anything from this game. But we're starting lineup. They didn't expect anything from you.
But they come from the draw, unfortunately, and it's a big team. The pressure is mounting, and last season about winning any trophy. So we are game understand it's a draw sharp. Mhlambu I need benefit of the doubt. But ikala nanga pre-season games wabo. If we lose uyanga or lose time sheet rollers, which game was a winner? As a coach, you need to be honest. And truly speaking, lama game ama pre-season are vital nkuleko. You don't have a starting 11 as we know before the official PSL DStv Premiership starts, and then you expect to a team that it's lay marathon officially. So it's sometimes those are champions. Look at the dominance as Kulmikiniso, comfortability on the ball. The way they were so fluid to Sundowns, the way it tempo of the game. From the first whistle right, approach Kaizer Chiefs, Sundowns when they were scared even Kaizer Chiefs to go and press Sundowns. Magazo yuti prisa tu pressa no mhlambe number 7 Chivavaro. Magatu ya pressa banu ti prise nae lomchita lo umodi. Sundowns behind them. In the midfield but receive botwa. And Kaizer Chiefs, they need to learn. I think you learn from the past. These midfielders Sundowns, they support each other. Every time umkona magapiti ball like necessary kutadlala long ball. Ipola bali is wide. Kuba last option there. There's some come close alende. Nguleki variation yabo. It was something else. And if I go on, they started to back. Any Sundowns this season in terms of dangerous now. Knowing Sundowns even previous years but winning league, they start build up slow. In the middle they were slow. Yes, it tends to be in Kupuga up front. They played more or less as a build up. But this year, man speed. Kuna lumchitu Ribeiro, kuna Maseko. and uShalile is more of a goal poucher, the speed, my brother. I believe mina kulawo mshishi kwemanye ama-game kuzomela compete noNeo because uNeo has got that speed. I know ukuthi umshishi uphethe brain nayo uNeo, but uNeo the speed. Bheka uNeo yona le bhola lifinishayo, he had to run behind i-defense and udlala number 10. And there was a striking umuntu strike repair ngoba was central nalo mfana umaseko between them bebashintsha, but urun behind the defense speed. So Sundowns this year is going to be a problem, but khona build up. Once they go up front, it's rare ukuthi they babuyisela ibhola backwards. They're very, very dangerous. Kunelinye ibhola urepair shy run wrong marking from Kaizer Chiefs ufaka ibhola wangena eboxini. Mangala ukumaza ukuthi uShalulile ngoba bamphasanga at the back umiste kanjani lapha, because the goalkeeper was thrown by the ball, i-defense lidlule phambi kobuso babo.
Oh yeah, that's a sitter.
Yabo, it's very important to train technical ufinish than ukuthi uzusebenza kanzima bengafuna ukuthekile lapha islide technical bekinyawo ibhola lingena. So Sundowns dominate late deserve, but the scores should have more. Yeah, to me 4-5. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs came to the party. Maskhulumi VAR azange beze to the party, but bengi-expectile because i-Sundowns kule truly speaking, the way they started the first game yabo bengathi it's a third game football or second game. Even a game management, ubonile stats first half, ball position it's about 75-25. Okay, sharp and believe stats, but everybody could see, even whoever ukuthi Sundowns is dominant and creating so many chances, especially second half na first half. So compliment to Mamelodi Sundowns and yeah, well deserved mfethu. And Kaizer Chiefs mele babuyele back to drawing board, and if are many players they not showing up Kaizer Chiefs. I'm sure I coach say confused ngoba iqale ngoSingiphile Ngcobo last time. Aqala ngumduduzi Shabalala and they didn't offer anything. Now iqala ngoModi and also iqala ngoDipriz kanti uqale benchini, but they didn't offer anything now. Okay, Dipriz has scored. Yes, so a question ukuthi une starting 11 now, net depth now, do you have players? And as a coach now, tactically we approach the game questionable. Ngeke approaching three type of players abadlala ngokufana. So eshikunenkinga enkulu, Peterson he did very well, saved the team, but when's a mistake now? I think it's hardness psychologically. I was tired. You can't save the team. Ingagnigi something. Actually, favorite team, but the guy did well today. We need to be honest. If they need to at least improve, because Nenye came up has more pressure. Goal number 3 came number 3 without winning. So, Benzema cool. So yeah, sure.
All right, there you go. That's Mamelodi Sundowns defeating Kaizer Chiefs. I don't think that there's any planet where Chiefs are better than Sundowns in this current moment. Sundowns, of course, we're always going to win this game. It was always just going to be a matter of football being football. And we almost saw it there with Kaizer Chiefs scoring a late goal. We thought, okay, cool. That's the end of the game. It's 1-1, and then it's bragging rights for the fans. But I think the right result came through for the team. The team that played to win, won this game. And that's fair in terms of football, really. Because Chiefs would have snatched a draw and people would have been saying, okay, they're back because maybe they're equal to Sundowns. But if you bothered yourself to watch this game, you know that there was only one team here that could have scored 6 goals, at least 6 goals in this game, more than the 2 goals they've just scored. iDiskiTV, iDiskiTimes, World Sports Betting. Thank you for watching us.